Hello everyone, this is teacher Kevin and welcome to another episode of Maths I Can Do. And with our great tips, I'm sure Maths you can do too. Today you are going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of fraction. So sit back, relax and enjoy the lesson.
Wow. Benny, Charles, and Dinesh had some stickers.
Benny had? Lucas, Benny had?
Benny had 80 more stickers than Charles.
Okay, in that case, Charles must be the smaller one, huh? So, yeah, toggle here and there. Charles would have, because I hope to have seen them side by side. That means whatever Charles had, okay, I'm going to draw Charles, huh? A box for Charles. That's what I always do. I always use like drawing, and like I say, Benny would have how much? Same, but what? But what? How many more? How many more?
80 more.
80 more, huh? So maybe I draw a different color. 80 more, whatever is 80 more. Can you see? Okay, so if you don't mind, I label here from here to 80. Yes? So whatever Charles had, one box, this guy has whatever Charles has and 80 more. Next statement, thank you. Next. The number of stickers Charles has was? Wait, Lucas.
The number of stickers Charles had was 49 of as many as Dinesh stickers.
Now I got a clue, right? Hey, the number of Charles has was 49 of Dinesh. That means I can know Charles got how many units already. I cut in Charles into how many boxes? Help me, people, help me. How many should I cut? He got 4 out of 9. That means Danish got 9. You understand or not? Here got 4. Get it or not? And Danish got 9. Do you understand, people? What is he trying to say? You understand or not? You don't even understand this, nothing to do with it. Hello? Was 4 out of 9. That means, Miss Alejandro, do you understand? I got to cut this all into 4 boxes. By drawing 3 cuts, I get 4 boxes. Can you see now? Okay, can? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can? So, needless to say, in that case, this one also must be 4, isn't it? Because it must be the same. Yeah, Charles got 4. Dinesh, in that case, must have 4 here. People understand? And then how many should I cut this? Miss Alejandro. How many should I cut this? If you understand. Yes, thank you. Anybody don't understand? Rachel, you understand why Miss Alejandro said you must cut this into 5 boxes? Because it has to be 9. Shorter a bit. Okay, you all got template, then you can draw nicely. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 boxes. Next step is I better write down all the unit first. Penny is 4 unit plus what?
80.
Plus 80. See? No space here. Okay, 4 unit plus 80. Because, okay, how about Charles?
4 units.
4 unit, huh? How about Dinesh? 9 unit, right? No, that's the whole idea. Can we continue?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Lucas. During a game, Lucas?
Yeah.
During a game?
During a game, Benny lost 1/4 of his stickers to Dinesh.
Okay, thank you. Lost 1/4. Huh? That means everything must be divided by 4. That means this 80, what must we do? Miss Rachel.
Divide by 4.
Yeah, see, Mr. Brian, so smart guy. Mr. Brian, you really, in that case, I believe you may be able to do this, no? So I cut this, Yeah, divide by 4. Okay, that's why. See, I'm on the line here. So divide by 4, Okay, can you understand? Divide by 4. Why? Because 1/4. Miss Rachel, do you understand? Lost 1/4. So everything lose 1/4. So 80 also lose 1/4. Get it? How much is 1/4? 20.
20.
20. 20, and 20. Okay, if you want to write a statement, write it like 80 divided by 4 equal 20. So if you see some people writing statements like that, you know what they are talking about. Is it okay? So far? So far? Okay again?
Yeah.
So what happened? Benny lost a quarter. That means he lost this one, no? Lost a quarter only, not all. So he lost a quarter. And hey, this is a quarter. That means he also lose this part also, right? You guys and girls understand now? 1/4 of the blue one and 1/4 of the green one. Agree or not? Huh?
Yeah.
Agree, Mr. Brian? Can you see
Because
how
there's 8 parts.
beautiful our pictures? These are all units, right? I call them units, huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
all 8 parts.
Yeah, all 8 parts. Miss Alejandro, do you understand why I cross out one guy 1/4 and cross out one green one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because 1/4, right? You just don't lose only this part. You must lose this 80 1/4 also. Miss Rachel, agree or not? Miss Rachel, can you follow? Are you following? That means he's going to lose 1/4 of the green one and 1/4 of the blue one. That's all. 1/4 of everything of that he had. Agree, huh? Can I? Can I? Can? Okay. Let's see. If he lost 1/4 of this, that means I got to minus 1 unit. I'm doing very slowly. Okay. Minus 20. Yes, no? Yes, no? Agree? So what Benny had after that? What Benny had after that? After losing what Benny had? I don't know question 1 or not, I just do it. So will be 3 unit plus 60. This is what Benny had. Agree or not? Left. Agree, people? Agree? I'm not even looking at the question or what they're asking. I'm just doing what I don't know. Miss Rachel, understand what's going on?
Yes.
Okay, so after losing, he had this, okay, the set whatever situation that was at first. This is the new situation that he has. Okay, this is his current status after losing. Okay, but he lost to this guy, right? What happened? He lost all this. Let me see. He lost all this to who? Lucas, what do you say? He lost to who? 1/4 of everything they
He
had.
lost of his stickers to Dinesh.
To Dinesh. That means what is going to happen to Dinesh? It's going to add something, right? Yes, not? Miss Rachel, add what? Add what? What Benny lost is 1 unit and 20, and it must be gained by, not a minus, it must be gained by Dinesh. What guy lost to you, you gain. Is it okay, Miss Rachel? Okay? So, okay. Okay, 10 unit plus 20. Hey, everybody agree or not? Huh? Mr. Brian agree or not?
Yeah.
Miss Alejandro agree?
Yeah.
Mr. Lucas, what happened? Quick, next one.
In the next
game,
game,
see?
Charles won 3/5 of Dinesh stickers.
Now, 3/5 of Dinesh sticker. That means Dinesh need to cut into 5 parts. Yes, not? The clue. Miss Rachel, understand not? Charles won 3/5, right? Yes? That means Dinesh now, can I draw a picture for you? Dinesh has 10 and must be cut into 3/5 means 5 parts. Can you see that? Charles won 3/5 here. Can you see this? Okay? Of Dinesh sticker. That means Dinesh sticker must be cut into 5 parts. Agree or not? Hello? Miss Rachel, do you understand what I mean? So let me draw the box for you. Okay? That means she has 10 units. Okay? Plus whatever 20. Okay? I just drawing this in a what? So 10 units, let's cut them into 5 boxes means how? How many? Each box, how many units? Miss Rachel, can you follow? Each box, how many units?
4.
Because 3/5. Do you understand why I'm doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah, because Mr. Lucas read for it. Charles won 3/5, so at that time I must make Danish into 5 parts. Miss Alejandro, Mr. Brian, okay, understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So the blue color. Okay, blue color. Okay, Ken? So just bear with me because I need to explain to you guys. If I were maybe until I don't have to explain a long time finish already. But what's the point? Nobody understand what I'm saying, and I'm a teacher. Cannot understand? That's why I have to go slow. I hope Miss Antia, you understand why not. I am not trying to slow. I just make sure everybody understand. Okay? Okay? So the 10 unit was here. The 20 was here. If I can let me split it, the 20 was here, right? The 10 unit was here, right? So each box, how many unit one? Miss Rachel understand? So how many? Mr. Brian, tell me. One box, how many unit?
20 by 2
Ah,
unit.
2 unit. Because this one 20 can see 2 unit. Why? 2 unit, 2 unit, 2 unit, 2 unit. Can see okay? You want to write a statement? 10 unit divide by 5 box. Okay? 2 unit each. Miss Rachel, understand? Alejandro following?
Yeah.
Can understand? So what about here? 20 cut into 5 box, do 1/5 of whatever she had. So the unit lost 1/5. The number also lost 1/5. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, if you want to write another statement, 20 divided by 5, it will be 4. Can I? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So far, so good? Okay, what did Lucas write? He lost 3/5, is it? Lucas said 3/5. Can you see people? 3/5, here. Let me circle for you. 3/5, right? Charles won 3/5 of Danish sticker, Can you see, Miss Rachel? 3/5 means what? Coming back to it. That's why this not screen not big enough. 3/5 means what? Means what? This is Danish one, right? Danish, Charles won 3/5. What happened to Danish? 3/5 means knockout 1, knockout 2/5, knockout 3/5. Yes, no. Here also must knockout 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. Understand no? So Charles taken how many from Danish? Miss Rachel, tell me. So Charles has taken how many from Danish? Miss Rachel, do you understand? So how much did Danish lose to Charles?
3/5.
Yeah, so 3/5 is how many units and how much in numbers?
Oh, 6 units and 12.
Can see or not? Can see or not first? Can Can or not? So left how much? Left how much? Left be how much?
4 units.
4 unit and left?
8.
8 This is unit, this is 8 Can see left 8 and left 4 unit So lost this to Charles These are given to 6 unit plus 12 is given to Charles. Do you understand? Okay Wow. Okay. This question like no ending. That's why I say how to do. Agree or not? Mr. Alejandro, look at this, don't feel like doing. So long. But hey, this is the one that distinguish between the A star and the no A star. Get it or not? So can So they don't expect those no A star don't do. Okay. These are meant for Lucas and NTA one. So this is 4 unit. What did he gain from the Danish? Get what from Danish? Dinesh. Okay, get this and this. Can see or not? Miss Rachel, can you see? Alejandro can see? Mr. Brian can see?
Yes.
That means this guy now won 6 units and 12. Right? Okay, I write down what Dinesh has left in the end. This is like in the end already so long. Okay. In the end, what happened to Dinesh? What does Dinesh have left? Rachel? Left?
4 units and 8.
Can see 4 units and
Plus
8.
8.
Yes, no, we put it there, left for Danish.
Yeah.
Right? So this is Dinesh. Dinesh. Okay, Miss Rachel? Can see or not? Where it came from? Here. 4 unit. And what's the 8? Here, we established what? 8 here. Can you see or not? 8 and 4 units. That's now we say what? Can you? Can? Because this question is just too lengthy. Understand? Can we continue? How about this guy? Okay, this guy from 4 units, what did he get in the end? This guy, what happened to him in the end? What was his units and numbers? What did he get? There, add this up lah. Plus 12. What do you get? 4 unit plus 6 unit. Where? Plus 12. Where did it come from? There, given by Danish. He won from Danish. 3/5. 3/5 is 6 plus 12. We establish that. Can or not? Huh? Miss Rachel, can you follow?
Yes.
Miss Alejandro, you know what to write for Charles in the end?
Huh?
Do you understand what to write for Charles in the end? Mr.
For
Brian?
Charles,
10 units plus
it's
12.
10 units plus 12.
There, I'm here. In the end, Charles had what? Hey, Lucas, final statement. Thank you. Final statement. In the end, what happened?
In the end, Charles had 148 more stickers than Dinesh.
Then they say how many Dinesh have been. I don't really care. I need to find what's the unit. Yes, huh? Okay. So finally, I ran out of space, man. Okay. Wow, that's cool, man. No space. Okay. Wow. In the end, Charles have this. This is Charles. This is Dinesh. So how much more Charles had than Dinesh? You minus, right? Hello. Charles minus Dinesh. Can you understand what I'm saying? Okay, come. Charles has this. Dinesh has this. How much more? 6 unit and
Unit.
you minus 10
6
unit
unit,
fight
8
with
plus
6
8.
unit. Right? 12 fight with 8 will be what?
6 unit plus 8.
Plus 8? No, more. 12. You minus, right? You minus 10 minus 4, 6. Then 12 minus 8. Okay, you minus, right? 12 minus 8, which is plus 4 only. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Let me draw you a picture now in that case you don't understand. Okay, in the end, Charles has 10 unit and 12. Dinesh has 4 unit as 8. Okay, let me draw it out. In the end, just be patient, because you might not be able to see or comprehend. So I just put it here, In the end, Charles has 10 unit plus 12. This question is so lengthy. Wow. Okay, here, 10 unit plus 12 here. Okay, Dinesh has only 4 unit plus 8. Can you see not? So far, so good. I'm not doing any magic, I just put here. Okay? All right, so how long? So Charles is so long. Okay? Charles is like, thank you all for your patience, man. Seriously, this question. All right, 4 unit plus 8. How much longer? What should I put here? How much is this? Anyone can tell me how much longer in terms of what?
And 4, 6 units.
10 minus 4 is 6
6
units. Yeah, plus 4. Why? Because all these two numbers add back must give you a 10. This one add back must give you a 12. Cool or not? Do you know why I wrote that? 6 units plus 4?
Yeah.
Because the guy said in the end, Charles had one. Oh, that he said 148. Oh, mama. He has 148 also. This is 148. Then in the end, Charles had 148 more. So what he said, this is the 6 unit plus 4. People understand or not? You tell me Charles got 6 unit plus 4, right? And this guy tell you here, Charles had 148 more than Dinesh. This is the 148, came from here. Think. Can you see? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, okay. So now in that case, we just need to solve what? So now we write down a final statement. So 148 is equal to what? 6 units
6 units plus
plus
4.
4 equal to 148. Yes? So you minus 4 on this side, you minus 4 on this side. So it's 144 is equal to 6 unit. And you need to divide 144 divide by 6. Pray, nice number.
24.
Oh, thank you.
24.
Finally. Okay, 24. Unit is 24. Unit is 24. Okay, so what do they want? In the end, how many stickers this Danish have in the end? Oh, here. Left 4 unit plus 8, right? Danish left 4 unit plus 8. I really got no more space. Now, can I put it here? Danish left 4 unit plus 8, right? Can you see on that? Oh, no. So Danish is left 4 unit plus 8 here. Can you see? So no need to go from there. Danish is left 4 unit plus 8. Miss Rachel, Alejandro, Brian, Lucas, and Tia, no need to ask. Sure know already. 4 unit plus 8 means what? 4 times unit was 24, right? We calculated, right? 4
Yeah.
times 24. Oh, mama, plus 8. Okay, that should be the answer. What is your answer?
106.
Ah, 100 and?
104.
Okay, don't fake me. 104, 106, 104, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.